Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to make my favorite, okay, it's all the time my favorite, but a very nice cream which is very good for oily and acne prone skin, and it is the green tea cream. So green tea, everybody knows, people drink green tea because it has a lot of antioxidant, and yes, it is very good for your skin. It antioxidant means less of wrinkles, more of youthness, which makes you look and feel very fabulous, which you can apply to your face also. So how you can apply a green tea on your face like a cream is what you have to wait and watch in this video to know how to make a green tea cream. Green tea is rich in antioxidant. It is also anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, which makes it very effective and very good for acne and oily skin people. It also reduces the sebum secretion, which leads to acne. So for acne people, green tea works very well. It reduces your acne, your scars, and it gives you a flawless skin. Green tea has a lot of antioxidants, which is very good for your skin, and it will make your skin very healthy. And it is also said that green tea has a lot of antioxidant which would lead to tighten your skin also. So yeah, so for a fabulous looking skin, you should try a green tea cream, which we are going to know how to make shortly. Green tea is so amazing that I think everybody should drink and apply it to your skin also. So one form of applying it to your face is with a cream. So there are many products available which has a lot of green tea available to apply on your skin as a cream. But if you want to try it at home as a DIY, you should try how to make a DIY green tea cream at home, which here you go how to make it. So take 2 tablespoons of warm rose water and any green tea sachet, which can be of any brand, and make sure it's unflavored. So here I'm taking just Tulsi green tea sachet and I have dipped it inside warm rose water and let it sink in, and you can close the lid so that all the extracts of the green tea oozes out inside the rose water. So you can see our green tea's extracts have mixed very well with rose water, and our basic ingredient to make this green tea cream is ready. I'll add 1 teaspoon of almond oil to it and around 3 capsules of vitamin E. If you have vitamin E oil, you can add 2 teaspoons of vitamin E oil. And then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. You can use any aloe vera gel which suits your skin. And then mix it well. Mix it well till it becomes into a flowy consistency. And then I'm adding around 10 drops of tea tree essential oil, which is very good for your acne. It helps you remove the scars and also acne, and mix it till it becomes in this flowy consistency. This is very good gel based green tea cream with all the green tea extracts. Then you can store all the cream which you have made into a tight glass container. Our green tea cream is ready, and this is in a very nice flowy consistency and ready to use. So now I hope you saw how to make this cream, and I will give you a patch test like always. This is again into a little liquidy form. It has very good because we have put a little tea tree oil. It has little tea tree smell, which is very nice. And you can see I will give you a patch test by applying this green tea cream on my palms. Hold on. It has very good tea tree smell, nice fragrance to it. So you can see how well it has absorbed. It will be very hydrating because of the almond oil, the aloe vera gel, and also the vitamin E which we have put inside this cream. And green tea and also tea tree oil works very well for your skin. So you should definitely try these creams because these does not have so many harmful chemicals. It has all natural stuffs, and you should give it a try. I think you will love it and your skin will love it too. You can see how well it has absorbed. So it is almost absorbed so well, and it has a very nice tea tree oil, essential oil smell. So it is very good for acne and oily skin people. Green tea works very well because it has tea tree oil. It helps you reduce the scars, and also it helps you reduce your acne. And also it works in removing your acne and giving you a lustrous skin, because we have some aloe vera gel, vitamin E, and almond oil also in it. So it works very beautifully well for your skin, and I would advise you and suggest you can try it and make it and apply it whenever you feel like after washing your face. And coming to the storage, since this does not have any preservatives, still you can keep it at room temperature, because nothing is gonna get spoiled with the ingredients which we have used in this cream. So you can make it in a smaller or a larger quantity, like to use it for a month also. But it works very well. Store it in an airtight container and store it in a dry place and apply it whenever you feel like. It will be very good. It has a very good smell also, and it works really well for oily and acne skin tone people. So a must try DIY green tea cream at home, girls. So this green tea cream will help you prevent acne and acne scars, and also for oily and acne skin it is very good. It will help you hydrate your skin very well, and you will get a very radiant and glowing skin. So what else do you need? A DIY green tea at home. And if you like my green tea cream at home, which you can make for your skin, make sure to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.